In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a single calendar for multiple databases in Notion. The goal here is to build one calendar page, then pull in items from different databases using linked views. This way you can see tasks, assignments, and other time-based entries together, without merging your databases or changing how they are organized. Start in Notion by creating a new page. Give it a clear name, like Master Calendar, so it is easy to find later in your sidebar and you know it is meant to be your combined view. On that new page, click into the empty area to place your cursor, then type /calendar. As you type, Notion will show a menu of blocks you can insert. From that menu, choose the calendar option under Database. This creates a database-style calendar view on the page. If Notion asks you to create a new database, go ahead and confirm since we will use this page as the place where everything comes together visually. Next, click into the page again below the calendar so you can add another block. Click the Add icon or just start typing and type /linked. In the menu that appears, select Linked View of Data Source. This is the key feature that lets you display an existing database inside this page without duplicating it. After you select Linked View, you will be prompted to choose a database. Pick your first database, such as a to-do list. Once it appears, you can adjust the view to match what you need. If you want it to function like a calendar, switch the linked database view to a calendar view and make sure it is using the correct date property. Then repeat the same process to bring in another database. Click below your first linked view, use the Add icon again, and type /linked. Choose Linked View of Data Source, then select your next database, such as an assignments database. If you have multiple options or views, click Show More, and choose the specific database view you want, like an All Assignments view, so you are pulling in the full list. At this point, you have one page that contains your main calendar and multiple linked database views. You can scroll through and manage everything in one place, while each item still lives in its original database. And that is all there is to it.